So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select reset settings. And now you want to click on restore settings to their original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on reset settings. You want to reset your Chrome settings. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now once you're on this, you want to select obtain an IP address automatically, and now under it you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.